Scaling your rental portfolio in Salt Lake isn't just about buying more properties. It's about doing it without drowning in the day-to-day headaches. The more doors you own, the louder the phone rings, dealing with late rent, leaky faucets, tenant drama, etc. There's a better way. Today we're breaking down exactly how a great property manager turns chaos into predictable growth, and why investors should be partnering with professionals to build real long-term wealth. As you know, your time is your most limited resource. Here's the truth most real estate gurus won't tell you about owning rental properties. Every new property adds more tenant screening, more lease enforcement, more maintenance calls, and more compliance headaches. That's why a professional property management company becomes a foundational partner that lets you scale without burning out. Here's why. First, they fill your units with the right tenants. Having top-tier marketing, rigorous screening, and ironclad leases means lower vacancies and fewer evictions. Once tenants are in, providing quick response times and proactive communication keeps them renewing year after year. Second, rent hits your account like clockwork. With technology platforms, late fee enforcement, and transparent monthly statements, the chasing checks game is gone. That's stable cash flow you can actually count on. And having a track record of predictable income brings confidence to the bank when you're ready to leverage it into your next deal. Third, maintenance stops eating your nights and weekends. A reputable manager already has trusted vetted vendors on speed dial. With the volume of work a vendor receives, they often give more attention and more competitive rates than you'd get yourself. Also, keeping preventative maintenance schedules helps protect your asset and keeps tenants happy, which means higher retention and stronger returns. Fourth, you sleep at night knowing every I is dotted under state laws. Property management companies ensure fair housing laws are followed, habitability standards are kept, proper notices are given, and security deposits are handled correctly. One mistake can cost thousands of dollars. Oftentimes, you may not know a mistake has been made until it's too late. A professional team helps mitigate that risk. Fifth, you get real data, not guesses. Modern portals and industry partners provide occupancy rates, maintenance trends, and neighborhood rent comps in real time. That intelligence helps you decide which properties to update or sell, when to raise rents, or where to buy next. But the best managers do more than push paper. They become your strategic partner, spotting underperforming assets, recommending value-add renovations, and even helping you source off-market deals. The bottom line, professional property management has a cost, but isn't an expense. It's the highest ROI move you can make when scaling. It protects your current assets, maximizes your property's value, and most importantly, buys back the time you need to keep acquiring more. That's exactly what we do every day at NV Property Management. If you'd like help scaling your portfolio by not managing properties, but building wealth, reach out to us and start the conversation. We can be contacted at nvpm.com or calling us at 801-337-4337. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk soon.